doing, everyone? Welcome back. Checking up on some nukes right here. Fancy Feather Farms out here in Piedmont, Oklahoma. So they built up nice on the floor. A little bit of brood right there in that frame, not very much. Solid honey though. Right there. Queen kind of ventured up into here. Made a split right at the beginning of the flow. And then let them go through the flow. We haven't checked on them or anything. So there is a queen though. That is good. So there's some brood. Good, filled up. She's laying nice. She's looking good. Just like what we want to see. They have a good amount of food on them. Like I said, we're just in the tail end of our honey flow. So lots of good brood pattern. These are hot right here, as you can see. They're brooding or bearding, and they got brood on them as well. But they're bearding. Heavy box. That's what we like. And we'll make another split off of this one. And we'll knock it back down to a 5 frame. And we'll probably split this one right next to us. And then she'll get her yard built up to, she'll have 6 of them out here now and stuff. So we kind of glued this middle here to the wall. That's all right. Got a little bit of tear. When you don't have these nukes spaced properly, they'll get a little bit out. When you don't have them spaced properly, they'll stick some comb up against the wall and glue the frames to them. So when you're lifting them out, they can tear some off a little bit, so just got to be careful with it. A beautiful laying pattern, great white young larvae everywhere. I try to find a queen. Can't remember if this one's a new queen or if this one's going to be older queen. I believe it is a new queen and she's not marked or anything. I believe that we pulled the split and left the queen in the parent hive with the foragers. They haven't drawn this side out yet, so we're going to put this one facing towards the colony. so that will help them, and we'll put it kind of in the middle. So didn't find the queen. We'll get her marked up next time, I suppose, or whenever we see them. You can spend all day looking for queens. You know, if we see them, we'll try to mark them this year, and if we don't, no big deal. She got eggs in there, nice larvae, and we got plenty of food, so they're good to go. I don't need to find her. Nothing like that, so you know, no point in wasting the time. The hive looks good, good population. A lot of them are hanging out on the outside, doing their jobs, keeping the brood at the proper temperature. We're humid, it's hot, but the bees know what to do. Alright, well, so far we're liking where most of the colonies are at, and we're pulling honey off, and then we're making splits still. So we're going through making splits, and then we're going to be backing our colonies down to 4 frames of brood. So we'll be getting videos more and more up over them, but colonies are looking good for the most part. We're pleased with it, with how the yards are doing and how the honey flow went this year. All right, well, I hope you guys, your bees are doing good out there, and you'll be keeping it real. We'll catch you on the next one. See you.